If you watch a YouTube video and you like it, you give it a like. If you find a photo on Instagram and you like it, you give it a like. The same with Reels, the same with TikTok. What if I told you that there is a website that is paying people who are giving likes, and you can be one of them? Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a website that is paying people who are giving like. As you can see, here we have some payment proof, and by the way, guys, people are getting paid through PayPal. So if you're interested, keep watching this video, and at the end, I'm going to be revealing a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can earn even more money online. Okay, what's the website that we're going to be checking? It's called likesplanet.com. You can go to likesplanet.com and you're going to see that they have over 6,000 members right now. At the time recording this video, over 800 are currently online, and people, are getting paid just to give likes. That's it. That's the only thing that they're doing. Just in case that you're wondering and you want like an in-depth explanation, you can go here where it says how it works. You can find this amazing graphic. Well, first of all, the very first step is that you need to click here where it says free sign up. Then you need to like or view the page, and you can cash out the earnings, or you can use the points if you have a fan page, for example, and you want some likes. You can exchange those points. In my case, I prefer the cash, and I'm pretty sure you do. Okay, so this is actually how simple it is. There is no other explanation. They do have a 50% referral earnings. So if you have a friend or a family member that he or she might be interested on this, liking Facebook images, subscribing to Facebook pages, following people on Twitter, the same with YouTube, the same with LinkedIn, watching and liking videos on YouTube, doing retweets. Anyways, doing or using all the social networks around there, and you want to earn 50% of what they're doing, well, you can do that as well with likeplanet.com. Okay, so really easy, really simple. It's fast payment. The minimum, as you can see here, is just $2. Okay, so really easy, really simple. Now I'm pretty sure that you're ready to join, so please make sure that you're gonna click here where it says register. Okay, and you're gonna be landing on this page. Okay, first use a real email address. Do not register more than one account, and use a username with letters, numbers, and the same with the password. Okay, so you're gonna type in here your username. You're gonna type in a valid email address. They already told you that. My suggestion is always use a separate email address that is not your main one, so okay, this email address is the one that I use for anything that is related to making money online. Okay, so use it. That's what I'm doing. That's the reason why I'm suggesting referral. Well, this is actually leave it empty because no one is referring you. But if you have a family member or a friend that you're going to be suggesting them to do this, they're going to be typing here your code. Click the CAPTCHA. This is a number, and click here where it says register. Okay, when you register, go to your email address and find this email. Okay, most likely it's gonna be on your spam folder. Okay, this is what happened to me. It did not hit my inbox. So check out your inbox, promotional materials, and spam. And you need to confirm your account. Okay, you're going to be clicking here and you're going to be landing on this page. Okay, remember, if you have someone who might be interested in this, you can click here where it says new referral system, and then you're going to be grabbing your link. That's 100% optional. Okay, these people and these payment proof that you are seeing here, it's just by doing the task. Okay, so Here is it. This is the website. It's really easy, really simple. And chances are that you're going to be wondering like, okay, then how do I actually get paid? I'm ready. Okay, so you're going to click here where it says earn points/money. Okay, you can choose the social network that you use or the social networks that you use. For example, we have here Facebook. We can like pages, we can like photos, we can share websites, we can be a follower. The same with YouTube. You can like a video, you can dislike it, you can watch it, you can subscribe to the channel. If you use StumbleUpon, if you use Instagram, you can be a follower, you can like a picture. If you use Twitter, you can be a follower, you can retweet. If you prefer, to go to a website or get paid to do a job or get paid to promote. Okay, so there are several ways here. In my example, I'm going to go with YouTube. I'm going to go with video likes. Okay, so as you can see, I do have several videos that I can like. Okay, so and these are the points that I'm going to be earning. Okay, I have a lot of videos here that I can like. Okay, here are the instructions. Okay, click the like button. So here, like the video on YouTube, then close, open window. You can skip the video if you do not like the video, and after that keep watching it. So this is the actual video that I like on, that I can click here. I like this. Okay, I can play it just for 4 seconds and the task, it's actually over. That's it. That's the only thing that I need to get done. And as you can see here, I already get 4 points. Okay, super simple, super easy. Here is the video that I like. Okay, so I can skip it if I don't want to go with it. Here, is the thumbnail, so you can see how the video is, it's about. And that's it. If you are already, sharing this with your family members, with your friends, online, they're going to be doing the same, and you're going to be earning 50%. If you're ready to cash out the money, well, click here where it says cash out, and you're going to see that every 5,000 points, you're going to get $1. Okay, here is your code. If you decide to refer someone, here's your actual code. And the minimum payout is actually $2. Remember that you're going to get paid through PayPal. Okay, this is my current balance. Okay, and here you're going to type the amount. Okay, here you're going to type the address and the payment method, which is actually PayPal. Okay. So this is it. This is how simple you can use likesplanet.com and you can get paid. Remember that at the beginning of the video, I told you that there is another way in which you can make money online. So if you guys want to know what's my #1 recommendations to make money online, making money while you travel, making money while you sleep, being able to fire your boss and live the life in your own terms, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn another way in which you can actually make money online, click the link below and watch the next video.